Hello, Matthew here from 39D. Today I'm going to give you a couple of tips around how to make your Outlook work more efficiently and to filter out some of the marketing emails that you receive daily. I can receive 300-400 marketing emails a day from different products and services that distract me away from my productivity and core focus. So what I do is use Outlook to create a rule that will allow Outlook to filter all of those marketing emails into a separate folder. So once a day I can spend 10 minutes having a quick look and take those messages that I do need out of that folder. So to do that, what we do is we're going to create an Outlook rule. So we go to Rules in Outlook, Manage Rules and Alerts, and then click New Rule. And then we're going to create a rule that is a blank rule at the bottom. Next, and then what we're going to do is pick the option with specific words in the body, and in here we're going to put the word unsubscribe in. Press add. Obviously there's other words that you can use. I prefer to just use unsubscribe because it tends to be at the bottom of all of the Amazon emails, bits and pieces like that that are marketing emails. Press OK, press next, and then we're going to move it to a specific folder. I've already created a unsubscribe folder in Outlook, but obviously if you haven't got that folder, you can press new folder and create a folder where you want those messages to be moved to. And then we're going to press next. Obviously if you've got some exceptions over time, bits and pieces like our CRM and stuff will send messages out, we can put exceptions in place so that messages that come from specific senders don't get captured by the rule. Press next, name the rule. I've called my rule unsubscribe, and then I'm going to run that message on all of the messages in my inbox. Obviously going forwards, as new messages arrive, that will then automatically capture those messages. Press finish. Outlook will now take a while to run through the few messages that I've got in my Outlook, and then that's it. From now on, all you have to remember to do is once a day check your unsubscribe folder, and hopefully that will free you up around about half an hour of wasted time where you get distracted by content that perhaps isn't the focus of your day. If you'd like any more time-saving tips or how to utilise your time better, then feel free to visit us at 39d.co.uk, where you can get help and support for your IT and other aspects of saving you your business time and money.